I do want to share stuff about visa bulletins, but before we get into that, if you have other questions or thoughts.
No, actually, that's a great point. The visa bulletin and recent backlog, because as we are moving through 2024, one of the most pressing issue in the U.S. immigration is the growing number of backlog, both for employment-based visas, EB1. EB1, EB2, EB3, and also most of the family-based cases.
Absolutely. Yeah. So let me just pull this up on our screen here, and hopefully you all can see it. So, the most recent bulletin was recently brought forward, and that is for the upcoming month of September. So these are the dates that were given as it relates to the September bulletin. So I'm going to skip the family sponsored preferences and, just kind of discuss the employment-based preferences for us. So right now, the final action dates for employment-based preferences are, obviously for all countries besides India, China, Mexico, and Philippines. First category, so EB1, and that would be true for EB1A, which is extraordinary ability, EB1B, which is outstanding researchers or tenure track professors, and EB1C, which are multinational executives and managers. So all three of these subcategories within EB1A are all considered, within the EB1 classification are all considered first category. And there you find that all countries are current within the month of September, except those listed. So the ones listed, mainland China, India, Mexico, Philippines. Mexico, Philippines are current for first category. And then you do have a backlog for India and China. So for India, February 1st, 2022. What that means is if you have an EB1 petition that has, you have an EB2 or EB3 petition that has already been approved